Alright, what's going on, guys? Say here, back with another video. And today we're gonna be working right up in here. Let's get this going. Put this here. So first things first, which I already did, disconnected this connector here. Push down on the tab and pull out. There is another connector in the back. Well, actually, first, so access to it, what we'll do is we'll off. So loosen that up, and we'll just try to slide it off, and just kind of move it out the way. Don't have to completely disconnect it. So from there, there is another connector back here that needs to come off and out the way. Take you a 12 mil, and there's 4 bolts on the throttle body. Now that we got that off, I'm going to just use some carb cleaner and just kind of spray all up in there and get a rag. Just try to wipe all that gunk off. Just a quick tip, if you want to get a stud out really fast, take 2 of the bolts that go to it, tighten this bolt down to this one, and then all you do is you turn this bolt here and it loosens up the stud. Okay, so studs are out and I'm ready to put the spacer on. We'll just use 1 bolt with a washer. 1 bolt and a washer. And we'll use this one to guide it. So that. Then we go like this. So, and need another gasket. That. This all goes up. Okay, so now I got everything bolted up. 4 bolts here, there, down there, and over there. Now we have to reconnect the throttle body cables. It's not too hard, pretty straightforward. So we need to reconnect both of these cables. This vacuum hose here needs to be connected with that. And after you put that together, you put your air intake back on and you're good to go. Alright guys, it's about a month or 2 later from when I first shot the throttle body spacer video. Still doing well. I got everything buttoned back up, and if you can tell, it's been snowing pretty bad. But let's just hear what it sounds like real quick. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you found anything useful, man, leave a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you next time.